Graduating class of 2024, parents, relatives and friends, faculty, staff, other George Mason University students and guests. It is my honor to welcome you to the 2024 degree celebration for the College of Engineering and Computing's Volzhino School of Engineering. Before we begin, please rise for our national anthem. Please be seated. Today is an awesome day for our graduates and our guests. This year's graduating class was so large that we had to split the college's ceremonies into two for each school. Even so, we still have quite a few names to read. So we'll try to move things along as quickly as possible, but we're going to be here for a while. So please settle in, get comfortable, and enjoy the festivities. I would like to take a minute to thank some of the many people who have helped make today's ceremony possible. First, I would like to recognize the parents, grandparents, other relatives, and friends of the graduates. Without your support, this class would not be here today. So thank you. Next, I would like to acknowledge the entire faculty. Would the faculty in the college please rise? To those seated on this stage and out there among the audience, thank you. I would also like to thank the administrative staff of the College of Engineering and Computing. An event like this just doesn't happen. It requires a lot of effort from many people. Our staff have worked hard for months to make this event memorable for our graduates and their guests. So, hearty thank you to our staff. And finally, I would like to thank the sign language interpreters who are here today. We have a distinguished guest and an old friend who is here with us on the platform, Dr. Lawrence Bray, Associate Provost for Graduate Education. Thank you for taking time out of your busy schedule to join us for this event. Each year, we invite a distinguished guest who will deliver a few remarks to you, our graduates. Please join me in welcoming our speaker, Mr. Glenn Kurowski. Glenn Kurowski is the Senior Vice President and Chief Technology Officer for CEC International Incorporated, a global provider of expertise in technology for national security and government modernization. In this role, Mr. Kurowski is responsible for advancing critical technologies, driving technology investments, identifying and developing strategic partnerships, and recruiting and developing the company's technical workforce to accelerate growth and innovatively address customers' most challenging needs. A veteran of the technology industry and a proven innovator and strategist, Glenn joined CACI in 2014 and has been instrumental in shaping the company's transition to a technology-powered national security leader. He was selected by Federal Computer Week to its 2023 Fed 100 list of outstanding government and industry leaders in federal IT. Early this year, Washington Exec named him one of its top chief technology officers to watch. Prior to joining CACI, Glenn worked at Lockheed Martin for 29 years, a career spanning acoustic signal processing, software-defined secure communications, and complex system development and integration. He advanced to the position of vice president, leading and growing a business unit of more than $700 million and over 2,000 people. He is a recipient of Lockheed Martin's highest honor for technical excellence. Glenn earned his Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering from the Georgia Institute of Technology, and he's also a certified program manager and certified architect. Glenn?
Thank you for that very kind introduction, and thank you, Dean Ball, for the opportunity to address your students, and good afternoon to everyone in attendance. Graduates, congratulations. You have so much to be proud of. Not a lot of students go into a degree in a STEM field. Smaller still is the fraction who graduate with a degree in the engineering disciplines that you have chosen. From biological to civil to electrical to mechanical and more, it is a tough road that you have accomplished. The reward is a terrific job market, one that needs your skills, and it's an enduring job market. Our country and our economy need many more graduates like you to fuel innovation and growth. So again, up front in my remarks, let me offer my heartfelt admiration and congratulations for what you have accomplished. So let's talk a little bit about your experience here at George Mason. Let me ask you a question. Does anybody remember when you all took Engineering 107? I think that's the Introduction to Engineering course, 2 hours. You took it as a freshman. You even got to build something in that class. You got an overview of the awesome engineering options that were in front of you. In the movie industry, we call that a trailer. That trailer has all the top highlights, none of the bad highlights. Okay? It draws you in, gets you excited and pumped. You had energy. And then what happened? Many of you hit Calc 2, or DiffyQs, or solids, your kryptonite courses, okay? Classes that, for whatever reason, you did not enjoy, okay? And you were wondering, gee, where is the good stuff? Where's the stuff I saw in the trailer? But guess what? Even that experience taught you something. Any job, any assignment that you take in the future is gonna contain things that you don't like Calc 2, okay? My advice, don't complain, take it on, still do it 110%. Find something in that not so great job, that not so great assignment that you can master, and put that in your toolbox. That is super important as an engineer, to constantly master aspects of your profession and put those tools in your toolbox. Don't partially learn it. Don't rotate to something new too quickly. Master things. It builds credibility and a base of experience. All right, now back to your story. So you fought through those early years, your kryptonite course, and then what did you run into? MATLAB. A lot of MATLAB. I have not found a student on the planet that likes MATLAB. I have some really, really good news for you. Almost nobody under the age of 40 in industry uses MATLAB. Welcome to the world of NumPy, Anaconda, Jupyter Notebooks, a lot of open source alternatives. Our engineers at CACI use them. They're a lot easier to use, a lot easier to get results, and you'll learn that in industry, we want to work more efficiently and we want to work more accurately, and so we welcome the ideas and the disruption of new tools. So welcome to my world, where you get to become disruptive thinkers and come up with better ways to solve problems, including the tools we use for design, analysis, and simulation. So what else is in your story? You encountered some concepts that were really difficult to comprehend. For the electrical engineers in the audience here, I am certain, as well as others who took some basic signals classes, that your head exploded the first day you were introduced to signal processing concepts of time and frequency and to complex numbers. That was normal, okay? You had to endure labs. Like, didn't y'all have to profile a MOSFET transistor? Like hundreds of measurements over and over. Yeah, I see the heads nodding. I feel your pain, okay? But even though you felt like that was a waste of your time, wasn't any fun, you learned something again. You learned patience. You need that in the world you are going to. Data and test results are important, and having structure around testing and data collection is important. So even in that lab that you felt was a waste of your time, you learned something: patience, repeatability, and the need for data. Now, I can promise you, I don't think any of you are going to have to profile another transistor again. How about your senior design project? You're done, right? Yeah, that's why you're here. It worked. The very first time you put it together, it worked completely, right? Perfect engineering translated to perfect design, translated to perfect implementation. Nope. Okay, I can offer you another absolute promise in industry. Few mechanical or civil designs survive the first shock and vibe test. Few circuit designs survive the first encounter with dirty power. First time through a protein separation, it will go wrong. Yield, contamination, unwanted byproducts. Okay, normal. As an engineer, get used to building a little and testing a little. That is the safe way to go. Your computer science brethren who graduate tonight will learn to develop software as microservices. Same principle. How about those of you that went to the mix for your 3D printing? You waited all day for your two pieces to be completed, and did they fit together? Nope, I can see you again nodding in agreement. You are beginning to learn the importance of interfaces, creating interface control documents, ICDs, and investing an inordinate amount of time in those interfaces. Okay? Now, when we master our profession, we can build incredible things that withstand decades of use. But even then, as engineers, we learn that the unthinkable can happen. A ship the length of 3 football fields can hit a bridge pylon in a major U.S. waterway. That bridge in Baltimore was designed 50 years ago, and no one at the time contemplated the size, weight, and momentum of such a vessel. So as engineers, we are back to the drawing table, thinking through how to plan for the unthinkable. That's our world, designing beyond the points of normal failure and normal use. And y'all should be proud to bring your tradecraft to that world. Now, in your years here at George Mason, you have learned to collaborate. You were clumped together in the JC or over at the Mix. I hear through the grapevine that there's a place in one of your engineering complexes called the Dungeon. I hear people know the Dungeon. Okay. It's a very modest room in the interior of an engineering building, no windows, minimalistic in nature, yet it became the hangout area late into the evenings. So in my world, we call that a skiff. So I'm thrilled many of you already have a level of comfort working in that kind of environment, but seriously, most engineers are about outcomes, and we really don't worry about the trappings around us, and that's a very noble trait. We care about what we do, and we care about who we do it with. I'm talking about relevant problems that we work to solve and having the camaraderie of a team while generally being blind to the work environment. We don't mind crawling into the bowels of a ship, under a manufacturing assembly line, into an engine compartment, up and down ditches and scaffolding, just that we do it with a focus on an outcome, the satisfaction of having designed, developed, and built something. My fellow engineers, welcome to the greatest jobs on the planet. So a couple little other pieces of advice from my experience. Those who assemble and manufacture what you design, and those who service and repair what you design, are incredible, powerful sources of information and perspective. They do not have your degree. They won't have the kind of salary you will have. Many are going to look upon you with disdain. They will view you as arrogant. Folks who live on the upper floors of the business and pontificate about how things should work when they know how things do work. So your mission, my charge to you, is to stay humble, stay respectful, befriend them, ask questions of them, show them you care and value their opinion, because trust me, their opinions are going to help you. That's part of recognizing the need to always make yourself better, continuously challenging your thinking and being stretched, finding your blind spots. The definition of diversity to an engineer includes the need to surround yourself with people who are different from you, your education, your background, your experiences, and your knowledge. That will make you a better engineer. Another piece of advice: hone your communication skills. It's a very powerful trait to be able to paint a picture that compels a person to take action. Think about how powerful that is. The ability to describe an idea in such a way that it compels action. For an engineer who is full of ideas, that is an essential trait, and it takes practice. Because engineers, even you, tend to like to talk about how they will implement their idea with a mind-numbing amount of detail. Trust me, I see it all the time. Don't fall in love with talking about how you will implement. Master the ability to describe the problem, your idea, and the better future it enables. That will compel decision makers to invest in you, and it will compel others to share your vision and join your team. Retain the learning orientation that you have today. Technology moves quickly. Those who learn and adapt are rewarded. Your generation is one of digital natives. Your generation thinks differently, organizes, and works on teams differently than my generation. My generation needs you to come in and disrupt the status quo, because you are the future. And we need to tap into your innovation and your creativity. And I predict you will be the catalyst for better ways of doing things. Let me give you a quote. When you are invited to the table, bring something. You'll be more welcome. That's a quote from Randy Posh's last lecture. You can look that up online. So what does it mean? You're going to be invited onto teams. You're going to be invited to meetings. You're going to be invited to sessions that you know very little about. Do some research. Have an opinion or a thought. Bring your energy. Bring your unique way of looking at the challenge, and do not be afraid to speak up. And importantly, don't become discouraged if your ideas are not adopted. It's not a binary winner-take-all. It's collaborative. But the impression you make with thoughtful input, even when it's not adopted, is important. So when you are invited to the table, bring something, you'll be more welcome. So lastly, be a builder. Even at my age, I'm still learning and I'm still enjoying building. Over the holidays, I built a gaming computer with my 23-year-old daughter. For you, that is old hat. That is what you know and love. But I hadn't built a computer in decades. I didn't have to worry about heat sinks. There was no such thing as LED lighting on the graphics card, on the CPUs. None of that existed, okay? I am still talking about it 5 months later because I'm still pumped to have built something, to have learned something, to have experienced something different, even though it's mundane to you. That's where I want you to be your whole career. Have that passion around building things, passion around applying your trade craft. So as I close, I want to remind you to remember to prioritize your well-being. Work hard, but find times for the things and people that you love. At least now, you'll have some income to enjoy it. Also, don't forget about your friends and family in the audience and thanking them. They supported you for however many years you were here. They love you, and you need to always thank them. So thank you for the opportunity to share in your day. Welcome to a profession of absolute endless possibilities. One more thing. In industry, we do not ask you to memorize formulas and equations. You get to look them up. Enjoy your graduation.
Thank you, Glenn, for your inspiring words. Thanks again. Next, I'm delighted to introduce the Volgno School of Engineering's student speaker, Eduardo Vasquez. Eduardo Vasquez Orozco's journey has been marked by resilience, determination, and a commitment to excellence. Born in the vibrant city of Guadalajara, Mexico, Ed's family later moved to Northern Virginia, where he spent his formative years immersed in two distinct cultures. As a first-generation college student, Eduardo faced unique challenges navigating the complexities of higher education. However, with the invaluable support of the Early Identification Program, he found his footing and embarked on a transformative academic journey. In 2022, Eduardo decided to transfer to George Mason University, a choice that would shape his future trajectory. At Mason, he fully embraced the wealth of resources, programs, and clubs available to him. Eduardo's involvement in organizations such as the American Society of Engineers, Undocu Mason, and the Hispanic Student Association not only enriched his college experience, but also allowed him meaningful contributions to the university community. Moreover, Eduardo's proactive approach to networking, along with the immense resources offered by Mason, led him to a remarkable opportunity. At the ASCE Career Fair, he met and connected with a Washington, D.C. contractor, ultimately securing a job offer. Currently, Eduardo is leveraging his skills and knowledge as he works on what will be George Mason University's newest athletic complex. Now, as he prepares to graduate, Eduardo does so with a profound sense of accomplishment and gratitude. His dedication to his studies, coupled with his active involvement in campus life, serves as a testament to his unwavering determination and passion for learning. With a bright future ahead, he stands prepared to make a lasting impact in his chosen field and beyond. Eduardo?
Thank you for that introduction. I want to shout out Civils over there. Distinguished faculty, honored guests, proud parents, my fellow esteemed graduates, friends, and family. Today marks a monumental milestone in our lives, a moment of celebration, reflection, and anticipation. As we gather to commemorate our graduation, we should not only recognize our academic achievements, but also honor our unwavering dedication to the great field of engineering. Like many here today, I began my academic journey at Northern Virginia Community College, where I discovered my love for engineering and laid the foundation for my future. And when the time came, I found myself here at George Mason University, a beacon of innovation and excellence at the heart of Northern Virginia. At Mason, we've witnessed remarkable feats of innovation, collaboration, and problem solving. We graduates have contributed to this legacy of excellence in our own unique way. From late-night study sessions on the 3rd floor of the Johnson Center, to cramming on the 1st floor computer lab of the engineering building, working hard to complete our assignments, with enough caffeine in our systems to keep an elephant awake. From overcoming challenges to embracing failure as a stepping stone to success, we have demonstrated resilience, creativity, and a passion for pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Throughout our journey, we not only acquired knowledge and technical skills, but also cultivated essential qualities that define great engineers. We learned the importance of teamwork, communication, and adaptability, all hallmarks of effective engineering practice in today's interconnected world. Here at Mason, we have embraced diversity, recognizing this as a catalyst for innovation and progress. We have honed our problem-solving abilities, equipped with the mindset to tackle complex challenges and drive meaningful change. As we embark on the next chapter of our lives, we must remember that we're not just engineers. We're ambassadors of innovation, agents of transformation, and stewards of progress. The world eagerly awaits us. The world awaits our contributions, our ideas, and our leadership. In the face of unprecedented global challenges, from climate change to healthcare disparities, from technological disruptions to social inequities, the world needs engineers now more than ever. It needs individuals who are not content with the status quo, but who are driven by a sense of purpose to make a positive difference. The world needs us. My own journey serves as a testament to the profound impact of unwavering determination. As a first-generation undocumented college student, my journey has been filled with moments of fear, doubt, and uncertainty. I've navigated a maze of legal restrictions, financial hardships, and societal stigma that have threatened to extinguish the flame of hope within me. Yet, in the midst of adversity, I have found strength in my community, courage in my convictions, and resilience in my dreams. I stand here before you as a testament to the power of perseverance, the resilience of the human spirit, and a transformative power of education. Despite the challenges I, like many others, have faced, I refuse to let my legal status define me. I refuse to let society's expectations dictate my destiny, and I refuse to let fear extinguish the flame of hope within me. So, my fellow graduates, as we step into the vast landscape of possibilities ahead, we must push ourselves to embrace the spirit of innovation, to seize every opportunity to learn and grow, and to never lose sight of the impact that our work can have on society. Remember that the path to success is not always linear. It's filled with twists and turns, setbacks and triumphs, but it is in these moments of challenge and adversity that our true strength and resilience will shine through. As we go forth in the world, we must be bold in our aspirations, compassionate in our actions, and steadfast in our commitment to excellence. And always keep in mind these words from the great American engineer, Henry Ford. Whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. Guys, let's take a moment to look around. Look where we are. We did it. Let's enjoy this moment. Let's savor every second because we earned it. Mamá, papá, muchas gracias por todo. Este es tanto su logro como el mío. Los amo. Congratulations, George Mason University's class of 2024. The world is ours to shape, to innovate, and to engineer a brighter future for generations to come. Thank you.
Thank you, Eduardo. And he's going to join his class for when it's his turn on stage. So now it's time to recognize you, our graduates. Before we start, I have a couple of requests for our guests in the seats above and our students on the floor. So for our guests, you may take pictures of your graduate, but please do so from the seating area above the floor. Only graduates are allowed on the Eagle Bank Arena floor. There'll be many opportunities for pictures later, and thank you for your understanding. And for our graduates, this is a long ceremony, and we have many people to recognize today to walk across the stage, so we appreciate your patience. We ask that once we have called your name and you receive recognition, that you return to your seat and remain seated until the end of the program. So please be courteous to your fellow graduates, the ones that come after you, and give them the attention and recognition that you all have earned. Enjoy these last few minutes with your classmates at the ceremony. All right, we're almost ready to go. I'd now like to introduce the department chairs, program chairs, or their designees from the College of Engineering and Computing. Please stand as you are introduced. Dr. James Baldo from our Data Analytics Engineering program. Dr. Paulo Costa from Cybersecurity Engineering. Dr. Brian Mark from Electrical and Computer Engineering. Dr. Lee McHugh from Mechanical Engineering. Dr. Elise Miller-Hooks from the Sid and Reva Dewberry Department of Civil, Environmental, and Infrastructure Engineering. And Dr. Katul Poppet from Bioengineering. And Dr. John Shortle, Systems Engineering and Operations Research. It is now time for the main event, the time when graduates will come forward to be individually recognized. As our candidates cross the stage, their names will be called by Associate Dean Jill Nelson and Associate Professor Isaac Gong. Students will cross the platform in order of the degree they earned. In the interest of time, to keep the ceremony moving, we ask that you cross the platform as quickly as possible. And to facilitate a faster pace, we will not be shaking hands. Thank you for your understanding. And there will be a photographer, and he'll get the photo as you come by, and that will all work out. So we're going to start with the recognition of those students who have achieved the highest level of academic recognition, our PhD students. So marshals, please bring forward the candidates for the degree of Doctor of Philosophy. As each PhD candidate crosses the platform, they will have their name read by Dr. Gurdeep Singh, and their primary dissertation advisors will congratulate them.
Welcome. So today we recognize the doctoral graduates and their contributions to the College of Engineering and Computing, Walgino School of Engineering's research and mission. Their work enhances our presence in the national and global context. In addition to the books and journals, their work leads to real-world impacts on a wide range of issues. Please join me in congratulating all of the doctorate degree recipients, and especially those graduates who are here with us today. Dean Ball, I'm pleased to present the candidates for the Doctor of Philosophy in the Civil and Infrastructure Engineering. Kareem Al-Qadi, Dissertation Chair, Dr. Sam Salah. Martin Henke, Dissertation Chair, Dr. Celso Ferreira. Dean Ball, I'm pleased to present the candidates for the Doctor of Philosophy in Electrical and Computer Engineering. Yohanyan Lee, Dissertation Chair, Dr. Shiliang Lee. Ahmed Nia, Dissertation Chair, Dr. Brian Mark. Theodore Vinograd, Dissertation Chair, Dr. Chris Koch. Guancheng Zhao, Dissertation Chair, Dr. Jerry Tian. This now concludes the presentation of the candidates for the Doctor of Philosophy degrees.
Marshals, please bring forward the candidates for the degrees of Bachelor of Science. Dr. Jill Nelson and Dr. Isaac Gong will read the names. And don't forget to slow down a little bit to get your photograph taken. All right.
All right. Dr. Popat, please join us to congratulate the graduate from your department. Dean Ball, I am pleased to present the candidates for the degree Bachelor of Science in Bioengineering. Amir Dejani.
Peter Chuma.
Brian Shamanan.
Ire Tulun.
There's one. All right. Bijan Shamanan.
Burke Kasimakan.
Xander Boyd.
Carmel Webster.
Rachel Omet.
Sujung Rodriguez.
Katie Harrison.
Lana Hashim.
Rasil Alamri.
Misha May Hyde.
John
Maheen Shaduri.
Thomas Chang.
Olivia Montemuro.
Maggie Chamberlain.
Alessandra Coogan.
Noor Sajid Ahmed.
Nawen Wang.
Nan Garg.
Kirubo Tadusa.
Gavin Ismega.
Emily Blanton.
Rabin Sharp. In Ball, this concludes the presentation of candidates, the degree Bachelor of Science in Bioengineering.
Dr. Miller Hooks, please join us to congratulate the graduates from your department. Dean Ball, I am pleased to present the candidates for the degree of Bachelor of Science in Civil and Infrastructure Engineering. Amira Ali.
Jean Gabriel.
Stephen Ha.
Sid Ashar.
Benjamin Castro Felix.
Shi Shan.
Aiden Walkhouse.
Anna Kemp.
Reshma Adunar.
Guillermo Pablo Jr.
Morris Norris Pena Corredon.
Fuad Siddiqui.
Kyle Lothar.
Thomas Tuka.
Zachary Zalewski.
Anthony Lunger.
Jenna Falestine Harachana.
Tula Garcia.
Amber Madison Brown.
Natalie Bisco.
Noela Campos.
Nancy Vilquez Domingo.
Aaron Paul Cajepe Pastir.
Armando Marquez Jr.
Mary Taylor.
Yusuf Ayalgub.
Faisal Hantouche.
Yazan Yusuf Aga.
Wael Maibarki.
Eduardo Vasquez.
Timothy Martinez.
Sharif Ibrahim.
Mohammed Sharif. Dean Ball, this concludes the presentation of candidates for the degree Bachelor of Science in Civil and Infrastructure Engineering.
Dr. Costa, join us to congratulate the graduates from your department. Dean Ball, I am pleased to present the candidates for the degree of Bachelor of Science in Cybersecurity Engineering. Nathan Adum.
Blake Lanehoff.
Matthew Shaw.
Sean Walker.
Chika Salid Arawas.
Sheikha Arahek Amaktun Salam Alarwas.
Lucas Turo.
Amar Salam.
Jonas Kabede.
Rayan Isa.
Andrew Peye.
Ethan Trin.
Owen Hicks.
Bryson Kirschner.
Muhammad Al-Handi.
Sultan Ahadad.
Ibrahim Abdullahish.
Stephen Thorsted.
Mikhail Faz.
Taha Ikram.
Anush Mian.
Ziyu He.
Alexander Keller.
Nathaniel Kim.
Ryan Gar.
Abdul Rahman Al Masri.
Angelica Brodner.
Xavier Sider.
Armin Ayadaran.
Jeremy Allen.
Kevin Dewar.
Dominic Rodriguez.
Robert Keston.
Nathan Polizzi.
Matthew Konkonich.
Farid Daganyan.
Karida Makunush.
Cheyenne Ektasod.
Richard Ewen.
Blake Todorowski.
say last name? Curtis Walking.
Zach Wagner.
Michael Phillips.
Harris Lang.
Elizabeth Kessler.
Jacob Perlstein.
Faris Isa.
Osama Abdulmajid.
Katakeker.
Ibrahim Karoma.
Mariam Khan.
Nushat Soleil.
Risha Aryal.
Liza Urgamova.
Bradford Williams.
Rima Almaki.
Samantha Berry.
Stephen Lee.
Siddharth Ganesh.
Noah Farley.
Megan Anholt.
Kevin Vu.
Nasida Shabba.
Neha Kateru.
Yasmit Peter.
Soham Patel.
Rohit Igala.
Kirthan Goodham.
Benny Mohato.
Hiran Nanayakara.
Benson Lee.
Ryan Shalhoub.
Ryan Tai.
Isha Mahadeshwa.
Anasimo Nega.
Mushtaba Haidari.
Arshab Gabararapa.
Pratamonish Gavavarapu. Dean Ball, this concludes the presentation of candidates for the degree Bachelor of Science in Cybersecurity Engineering.
Dr. Mark, join us to congratulate the graduates from your department. Dean Ball, I am pleased to present the candidate Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering. Louis Waldor.
Brian Ortiz.
Ryan Hagmet.
Mohammed Rahman.
Benjamin Adams.
Tenmin Tren.
Dodson Farm.
Jonathan Rosales.
Anthony Cruz.
Henok Abebe.
Daniel Bates.
Johnny Lee.
Joseph Ruin.
Karim El Sharkawe.
Justin Matthew.
Nathan Moy.
Jarrell Barkansa.
Andrew Cash.
Abneet Singh.
Jason Guevara.
Anton Nguyen.
John James.
Melissa Olukaya.
Richard Kang. Dean Ball, this concludes the presentation of candidates for the degree Bachelor of Science in Computer Engineering.
Dean Ball, I'm pleased to present the candidate for the Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering. Brian Benavides.
Owen Schilling.
Dylan Shoup.
Ethan Vu.
Nicholas Green.
Michael Ottenberg.
Garge Kurbisky.
David Rowe.
Elizabeth Krebs.
Max Kratzer.
Lonergan Martin.
Alexander Johnson.
Monsif Bazana.
Peter Tuma.
Elias Mora.
Jacob Aaron.
Fuad Patani.
Emily Gonbatar.
Dana Shatila.
Lena Alkarmi.
Min Lee.
Elizabeth Quarry.
Jamil Magrao.
Rendell Ray.
Oscar Suarez.
Solanto Bolam.
William Davis.
New Pham.
Aisha Yanis.
Elaine No.
Brandy Bowie.
Alex Long.
Shahid Ayamai.
Yasser Abasame. Dean Ball, this concludes the presentation of candidates for the degree Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering.
Dr. McHugh, please join us to congratulate the graduates from your department. Dean Ball, I am pleased to present the candidate for the Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering. Andres Salazar.
Ephraim Olengo.
Tamir Abdullahid Awad.
Ethan Kaufman.
Seth Elsmore.
Connor Feldposh.
Corey Curtis.
Benjamin Fuentes Brock.
Van M. Son.
Dunya Habibi.
Jacob Velasquez.
Jacob Silvas.
Anna Winnabaum.
Jonathan DeFulvio.
Richmond Keeley.
Ayodora Gabino Esquivel.
Jacob Schwartz.
Anissa Hill.
Dustin Moret.
Thomas Mercer.
Juan Saavedra.
Johan Alvaro Encinas.
Pedro Martinez.
Kevin Kim.
Andrew Boo.
David Turzak.
David Martinez.
David Conhay.
Tyler Menzel.
Andrew Campbell.
Muhammad Al-Mullah.
Elias Al-Jariri.
Muhammad Madani.
Avishka Akapahathu.
Dungtong David Bond.
Benjamin Flett.
Shannon Terry.
Jessica Nelson.
Kevin Cook.
Brent Sandman.
Tian Bo.
Ashraf Murad.
Samuel Oyer.
Carrillo Samuel.
Carlos Paltos.
Luke Wilson.
Blake Zagule.
Mohammed Rafay.
Nasser Barrett.
Anas Aldaba.
Osman Salim.
Jefferson Pashtag.
Gustavo Gomez Ozay.
Austin Miller.
Malene Rosel Onayala.
Jacob Krebs.
Khalid Adawi.
Abdul Rahman Rashid.
John Bush.
Franklin Farrell V.
Brandon Bobbin.
Nigel Brown.
Grandison Ochere.
Aisha Naz.
Bradley Boyd.
Matt Conroe.
Anthony Potts II.
Julio Hernandez.
Asen Yim.
Nicholas Scott.
Cameron Mays.
Brett Mollum.
Nabil Ahmed.
Zaid Aberjay.
Andrew Ryan.
Jackson Knaus.
Dominic Zurovsky.
Chengbo Huang.
Salim Sharif.
Nolan Gordon.
Ali Boldadi.
Jaden Newman.
Laila Shade. Dean Ball, this concludes the presentation of candidates for the degree Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering.
Dr. Shortle, please join us to congratulate the graduates from your department. Dean Ball, I am pleased to present the candidates for the Bachelor of Science in Systems Engineering. Megan Woodmaney.
Nayev Al-Orbi.
Jose Miguel Zaria Itori.
Carolyn Linda Besagi.
Fatima Alarcon. Dean Ball, this concludes the presentation of candidates for the degree Bachelor of Science in Systems Engineering.
Dean Ball, I'm pleased to present the candidate for the Bachelor of Science in System and Industrial Engineering. Emma Devine. That's Emma Catherine Devine.
Jeffrey Grian Ramos.
Darius Japp.
Kirkirat Tahim.
Amanda Baisas Delagan.
Diana Maria Machuca.
Turki Al-Harbi.
Richard Kali. Dean Ball, this concludes the presentation of candidates for the degree Bachelor of Science in Systems and Industrial Engineering.
Dr. Popet, please join us to congratulate the graduates from your department. Dean Ball, I am pleased to present the candidates for the degree of Master of Science in Bioengineering. Renee Vitar.
Mark Rodriguez.
Paran Chowdhury.
Rosie James.
Mai Penang Lee.
Chris Rios. Dean Ball, this concludes the presentation of candidates for the degree Master of Science in Bioengineering.
Dr. Miller Hooks, please join us to congratulate the graduates from your department. Dean Ball, I am pleased to present the candidate for the degree Master of Science in Civil Engineering and Infrastructure Engineering. Joshua Abreu.
Matthew Snagowski.
Hussein Aksaid.
Aaron Beckman.
Yu Shen.
Mohammed Zalayai.
Badrinath Mandadi.
Walid.
Ahmed Akwabe.
Sir Shreyas Gurihala.
Saif Ali.
Sarah Syed.
Wad Asagi.
Sarmad Kayani.
Brett Conklin.
Paulos Dante.
Rashid Mandela.
Sai Siddharth Sala.
Natin Kantapali.
Raya Najafi.
Paratin Galagazi. Dean Ball, this concludes the presentation of candidates for the degree of Master of Science in Civil, Environmental, and Infrastructure Engineering.
Dr. Costa, please join us to congratulate the graduates from your department. Dean Ball, I am pleased to present the candidates for the degree Master of Science in Cybersecurity Engineering. Walid Amiri.
Lucas Sharp.
Sheikh Alder Al-Maknoun Salim Al-Rawas.
Adbey Jordan.
Sahil Gulati. Rand Al-Akil.
Faraz Akbar.
Aldor Akmanum. Vivek Sabedi.
William Davis.
Haya Saeed.
Aikib Siddiqui.
Sai Gayatri Anamareddy.
Farhan Abdullah.
Akash Banavatu.
Sandeep Jamaklula.
Cody Craig.
Trong Trong.
Ahmed Mohammed Noor Hamid.
Jamal Shudri.
Walter Franco Oyoa.
Ricky Troy.
Gaeth Albaket.
Carolina Mendez. Dean Ball, this concludes the presentation of candidates for the degree of Master of Science in Cybersecurity Engineering.
Dr. Mark, please join us to congratulate the graduates from your department. Dean Ball, I am pleased to present the candidates for the degree Master of Science in Digital Forensics. Shreyas Taduru.
Andrew Chapin.
Elizabeth Stevenson.
Sarah Omari.
Lorenzo Motorona.
Walid Ashhari.
Lakita Abdagolla.
Sean Nananka.
Joycelyn Ju.
Aaron Panagade.
Emily Michelle Wintz.
Kashif Ashim. Dean Ball, this concludes the presentation of candidates for the degree of Master of Science in Digital Forensics.
Dean Ball, I am pleased to present the candidates for the degree Master of Science in Computer Engineering. Syed Ahmad Jaber.
Kakar Shanda Shamartai.
Shamita Naidu.
Abba Batera.
Corey Kaiser.
Isaac Chabran Puta.
Miguel Medina Anton.
Yarim Sani.
Raghu Saravanan.
Barak Kumar Barakumar Baja.
Shiva Kumar.
Sharan Kiban.
Bashar Ahmad Sheikh Mustafa.
Rohit Balakodiri.
Sundari Maduri Royuru.
Garanje Kumni. Garai Korni. Kumi.
Dean Ball, I am pleased to present the candidates for the degree of Master's Science in Electrical Engineering. Christopher Stauber.
Alexander Olarik.
William Lelf.
Isa Asiri.
Eric Terrazas.
Dami Munger.
Eric Alejo.
Arvid Bulda.
Pavankumar Venkatesh. Dean Ball, this concludes the presentation of candidates for the degree Master of Science in Electrical Engineering.
Dean Ball, I am pleased to present the candidate for the degree of Master of Science in Telecommunications. Danielle Beard.
Daniel Reyes.
Atharan Kachikar.
Tarim Fatima.
Itesh Kumar.
Kiran Kanoje.
Hoja Abu. Dean Ball, this concludes the presentation of candidates for the degree Master of Science in Telecommunications.
Dr. Shortle, please join us to congratulate the graduates from your department. Dean Ball, I am pleased to present the candidates for the degree Master of Science in Operations Research. Reina Salha.
William Edward Leach III.
Stephen Trung. Dean Ball, this concludes the presentation of candidates for the degree Master of Science in Operations Research.
Dean Ball, I'm pleased to present the candidate for the degree Master of Science in System Engineering. Tamara Zeki.
Amir Abrawi.
Dominic Galarza.
Michael Rigi.
Corbett Johnson.
Bryn Feary.
Aaron Bergantinos Villaverde.
Kieran Fontaine.
Brandy Landrum. Dean Ball, this concludes the presentation of candidates for the degree of Master of Science in Systems Engineering.
Dr. Baldo, please join us to congratulate the graduates from your program. Dean Ball, I am pleased to present the candidates for the degree Master of Science in Data Analytics Engineering. Parth Dalal.
Ajit Kumar Talagram.
Leonardo Franzinetti.
Adil Idris.
Joshua Clark.
Chandler Comer.
Mohammed Junaid Javad.
Uraro Zhang.
Sahitya Viragoni.
Wong Lee.
Muazzam Mansoubi.
Karsik Bolaji Sasirka Abrasithi.
Penny O'Brien.
Caitlin Manuel.
Haley Kroll.
Nafisa Ahmed.
Nicholas Weber.
Sean Lap Lam.
Kinera Virapaneni.
Parapurna Pamatasa.
Amasifa Bempong Ampuma.
Spencer Liap.
Aliza Verghese Punus.
Maj Yasin.
Dedelolia Olingwe.
Delena Bolmeyer.
Andrew Sorakiros.
Ashley Azigan.
Aishwarya Jirapur.
Sanjana Reddy Gundeti.
Shriya Nagara.
Surga Sahime Dunaboyina.
Obigna Suman Mja.
Binay Reddy Bettina.
Shibragya Gumatapura.
Courtney Nicole Bailey.
Stephen Arnold Kapala.
Jason Masaliski.
Sudha Jain.
Kirti Reddy Chinta Reddy.
Chaitanya Palamareddy.
Like me, Prasanna Nalagatudi.
Sai Krishna Marakukala.
Narasimha Bimagani.
Priyadarshini Deyarupuli.
Ashimika Kalbe.
Tao Win Win.
Akira Shure.
Jingo Patel.
Risha Surab.
Ishwari Gone.
Vanil Jain.
Prem Pinikin Gandhi.
Samika Muradir Gupta.
Rasim Badsi.
Kiran Sandanan Rai.
Nitya Reddy Wimula.
Is Jaswin Danapati.
Nikhil Kumar Juma.
Rami Al Hussein.
Prital Reddy Ayure Dingri.
Siyat Paragabi.
Rohit Pamiri.
Shutra Suman.
Carlos Miguel Darling.
Krista Trent.
Thon Nguyen.
Viraz Nisham Dani.
Amrisha Divedi.
Divya Sai Puluru.
Sai Sushmitha Kandambavi.
Khalil Shugai. Chutai.
Sarika Amudalapali.
Pradeep Reddy.
Gopi Chand Valamkonda.
Layada Dadala. Or Laisi Dadala.
Kirti Swarup Satambaka.
Nishala Barma Kunumduri.
Gayasiri Suburayalu.
Batigrai Tirusulayi.
Sahith Kumar Padlori.
Tajunsai Chandra Sukhara.
Sai Krishna Nagalapati.
Abhishek Kura.
Sai Santosh Kumar Milahuri.
Raini Patel.
Tanvi Malyala.
Rani Gadibraju.
Amajit Kutamath.
Akshay Maish.
Sarob Sinha.
Arpita.
Manikya Dipika Idaro.
Tanya Sripati.
Sravani Pulusu.
Nagaprane Kandara.
Manisha Inovolu.
Kartik Raja Gonduru.
Karthik Manusanapali.
Neeraj Kumar Nela.
Surat Reddy Tamala.
Sirakant Reddy Verme.
Nihal Viramala.
Arun Kamrishetty.
Abhijit Shiram.
Yaksa Tota.
Shiny Manasseh.
Sai Charan Brugu.
Soumya Chakravarti.
Monai Konukala.
Sairong Timanwar.
Sapriya Sirupado Rayo.
Dhruval Bahal.
Partu Dosmi.
Nina Daftari.
Arnisa Tarun Karinakant.
Sayanathi Nandula.
Chashira Jagannath.
Tulsi Srivastava.
Like Mira Akunamar.
Shweta Annapurna.
Archisa Nagenda.
Bharat Sundar Rajan.
Siddharth Pandit.
Rishi Keshwar Brinda Sivakumar.
Rishma Anantalapali.
Sanisha Kolanu.
Namarsa Alapati.
Akshith Reddy Modirala.
Khalid Mohammed.
Venkata Shesha Sateja Pili.
Sai Tejaswe Velapurkunda.
Sumanth Choletti.
Mihir Milin Sharat.
Satyam Singh.
Naveen Kumar Parampasa Reddy.
Kaushik Prayaga.
Pariyam Kaimdam Reddy Yulila.
Rashana Reddy Idula.
Layatadal Yana Patuni.
Kirtana Cheruvu.
Sanika Su Aldalbi.
Akash Ondakar.
Daban Charbalo.
Sai Unarud Reddy Tori Reddy.
Bemedin Karisha Takakika.
Anil Kumar Moiboine.
Vishwa Suwit Reddy Chala.
Hepzibah Grace.
Erica Lu.
Kathy Tovar.
Jaikiran Varuganti.
Akshay Govinda Reddy.
Monica Jangapudi.
Manali Sheetal Kathapaga.
Kanmaya Arkaneni.
Tete.
S1 Irusu.
Saravana Pradeep Kumar Gurusamy.
Charan Mani.
Charan Reddy Babala.
Sai Panindra Vamula.
Baby Sushima Vunam.
Aparna Ango.
Navya Vaishnavi Belakanda.
Aisha Rane Nagarjan.
Gopi Chandana Gunji.
Akhil Sabasidi.
Rohul Kumar Shiva Kumar.
Akhil Kiti. Akhilesh Kiti.
Hiranme Karedla.
Sai Rapesh Didi.
Pravalika Avula.
It's Nisa Maturu.
Alikia Vakatu.
Phoebe Krishna Reddy.
Nilima Palabuena.
Torina Maida.
Ratan Rakesh Madipati.
Jonathan Adolf.
Greg Rich.
Sai Priya Betty.
Sue Smith Reddy Poreddy.
Nikhil Bananapali.
Venkata Karamveer Bijam.
Sikaran Reddy Komisaredi.
Shyamala Kavakulanu.
Anirudh Allah.
Sri Paluvi Reddy. Dean Ball, this concludes the presentation of candidates for the degree Masters of Science in Data Analytics Engineering. Dean Ball, this concludes the presentation of candidates for degrees in the College of Engineering and Computing's Volgino School of Engineering.
All right. Graduates of the class of 2024, you now join thousands of previous graduates of this college. You can be proud of your College of Engineering and Computing degrees. This is a great college, and it's getting better every year, and you're among the very best. And we take great pride in all of you and in all of our students at Mason, where we're all together different. Each of you will bring your own unique insight and knowledge to the experience that lies ahead. We hope you stay in touch with each other and network and explore your dreams together. You're also joining a body of about 200, I think the number is 235,000 Mason alumni overall. So we hope you stay in touch with Mason and get active in the Alumni Association. And together you can bring your dreams to reality. One of the most important ways that we measure the success of our schools through you, our graduates, and your successes become our successes. And that concludes our degree celebration. So if everyone will please stand as the platform party departs, and graduates, please stay in place until you're released by our marshals. You ready? All right.